How to buy gold. Hargreaves Lansdown. Hargreaves Lansdown is the UK's largest direct-to-investor investment platform, offering services like ISAs, pensions, stockbroking, and financial advice, managing around £155 billion for nearly 1.9 million clients. First, download Hargreaves Lansdown application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account with username and password. Then on homepage, click on Search. On search box, search gold and choose ETF. Then click on Gold Funds. Then scroll down and click on Buy. Now here, click on Delivery. Now enter quantity here and enter the buying price. And buy order is successful. Click on Done. That's it. Thanks for watching.